Hello everyone. Hello everyone. We are from Group 6 Design Thinking and we would like to tell you guys about our assessment groups. First, my partner Luis is going to explain about what is Shopee.
Shopee, the leading online shopping platform in Southeast Asia and Taiwan, launched in 2015. Shopee is a region-tailored platform that provides customers with an easy, safe, and fast online shopping experiences through strong payment and logistics support.
Okay, I would like to explain understanding stage. Here there is a question. First, why? Why does the product not come on time? Who hasn't queued the most loses? What is the advantage and disadvantage about Shopee? When they're going to respond if there's a customer who needs help? Where the user can find report about the brand? How people pay by cash on delivery? And here's the problem statement. How might we possibly be careful when we do online shopping? For customer, we need to be more carefully online shopping, check the review details so that the customer is satisfied. How might we be able to get close to the customer? We should be able to connect close to our customer and respond to their complaints. How is the seller when the product is they send to the customer does not reach their expectation? The seller should refund the items or refund the money with the requirement showing proof that the product that has been received. Observe stage. Her name is Emily, 20 years old, and she is doing a part-time delivery service. And her last education is Bachelor of Business Administration. The description, she is an active student since she was in high school. She loved to develop her idea through her relative and her teacher. One day, she wanted to open delivery service as a broad student. She will take the advantage of the delivery service trends. She found that she always got problem with Shopee, and it made her want to find out the problem. And then the second one, jobs to be done. The customer felt lost because some mistakes that are done repeatedly by the Shopee's authority. And the third one is use case or application scenario. One of the example is when Emily ordered a green color shirt in Shopee after she did the payment and wait for the delivery. The one that came is a black color shirt instead of a green. And then problems unpaid for the products that are ordered within Shopee and arrive overly looks different from what it was in the Shopee review. Gains. What makes the user happy? First, responsible seller. Second, fast response. Third, item as expected. And the fourth, deliveries free delivery fee. And number six, here's her emojis, her feeling when she got her things. And then influencer, K-pop girl group such as Blackpink, family, friends, and boyfriend. Trends, a few things that make Shopee user continue using it because of the events, promo, and discount that are very easy to use. A new feature that keeps the customer best fresh. The company also developed the features not only for online shop, but also user can order food, pools, bills, and ticket. Plus, add more brand ambassador for Shopee to make people interested with them, like how Blackpink did. And here's also same case within customer journey. Scenario using the features of online shopping platforms, especially in Shopee. Goals and expectations. Fast response, take more responsibility on service and the ordered product came as expected. Typical journey, there is awareness, responsibility, search and method. Action, buyer has to be more careful in unboxing and checking the per case product so that when there's a mistake or error, the seller knows what to fix. And then for the responsibility, the buyer has to be more responsible on their bought product when they use COD payment method. So the buyers must be prepared to fix amount of money and the buyers must be on the spot. Search. The buyer has to be careful in finding out about the product that they will buy. Method. The buyer has to know the benefits and the drawback of the product before doing one of the Shopee payment methods. The thinking. Want to be more careful in checking per case product. For responsibility, want to be more responsible on the per case product when using COD method. Search, want to be more careful in finding out more about the products. And the last method, want to know the benefits and the drawbacks when using payment method in Shopee. And the opportunities, need more employee for the shop and they can divide it, their job as their passion so can work easily and correctly. Responsibility, fast response when the customer have a problem. Search, the delivery of the product has to be on time. The method, the quality is equal with the price. Areas of responsibility is HR of that shop store. For responsibility is customer service. For the search is driver, and method is seller. Next, the outline going to explain by Lintang. Next, Lintang.
Define point of view. We find that our Shopper apps is a great and simple application, but because the app is simple, they do not pay attention about the small things such as the payment platform, purchase increases security, and they probably did not pay any attention to it, and if they continue to ignore it will become a disadvantage for the application. Not only will it harm the user, but also harm the seller. And here context mapping. First, define category, service, feature. Next, observation. Many sellers who are not honest in selling goods. Next, entering the result. Environment build the qualities of the honest and trust seller. Economy and efficient. Remove pay later and change to credit card payment. Policy and system. Monitoring, access control, username, and password. Nets and a dessert. Honest seller, trusted review, real picture of the product. Unitarian about the seller respond to the buyer. Challenge. Application seller that makes the application default to access often get scam online shopping due to lack of information. And the last find. Save the names of truth seller and give them verified account on every shop page.
I
will begin with the ideate stage. Number 1, issue. Lack of Shopee features that make users dissatisfied. The 635 method, according to Lintang, expand features, added eToro functions, providing investment products, leads to examples including deposits, goals, and mutual funds, provide online transportation, recruit drivers online for Lewis, improving customer service and quality, which leads to hire more people to fill this position so you don't need to depend on one person, make it more easier to use, redesign the app's UI, and make it lighter and more eye-catching, increase product variety, start collaboration and collaboration with famous official brands from Regina, change payment method, removing good cash on delivery features, puts couriers at a disadvantage, application security, add cybersecurity to prevent customers from hacking your Shopee account, promo terms, reduce promotional restrictions to make promotions available to fewer consumers. From Caroline, schedule delivers the goods according to the schedule already in the customer. The driver's routes can be checked online by the customer. Prioritize customer safety and comfort. Improve application security by hacking sellers who sell fraudulent products. More economical shipping rates. We will provide the shipping cost according to the distance of the location. Distance compatibility is gone. From Akmal, setting up to-date sequence by providing real-time information on the trend and availability of the product. Deliver better quality responses. By doing so, it helps customers to receive better understanding and interest to them. Make a custom design layout, making a page where people can choose what they want to see and suggest them based on what product they want to see. Cluster, simplification of the payment process, increased protection and comfort, delivery date adjustment, cybersecurity. Evaluate. In tackling the situation at issue, there are several ideas that can be used, including maintaining and improving the app in terms of security, simplify payment access by removing the COD payment option, deliver goods according to the schedule.
Two times two matrix going to explain by Louise.
2 times 2 matrix that I'll be explaining is the ideas that we've been brainstorming. until now. The first is actually the function to track our delivery status. This ideas is actually have a very good impact, but not that good, and actually almost simple to do. And next is removing the GOD features. This is actually have a very good impact and also is very simple to do. And next is advertisement or promotion by increasing the advertisement. This is actually not that impactful, but are very simple to do. And next is customer service, changing and increasing and improving customer service. This is actually a very or middle, not that impactful, and also but simple to use. And that is actually increasing the promo and also the fee of the delivery. This is actually simple to do, yet it actually are not have a good impact. The next is as increasing the cybersecurity. This is actually very difficult to do, but is and actually it doesn't actually have much impact. Brand ambassador. Brand ambassador has actually a very good impact, but is very difficult to do. That's all.
Okay, dot footings is going to explain by the Caroline.
Okay, before I'm gonna explain about analyzing the idea, go back please. We have to know what is main business idea. Business idea is a person's response to solving problem by identifying to meet the needs of an environment, namely the market or society. The first step taken looking for business ideas is to change the entrepreneur's creative desire to become a business. And business ideas can come from anywhere, but it takes real work to turn the, the ideas into a very profitable business. That's why the first step in determining the business that we will run is by looking at the needs of market demands, skills, and expertise that must be process, hobbies, and interests, as well as network or relationships. Next, for example, analyzing the idea is voting. As you can see, if we already knew about what product that we make, we have to know criteria that we have to make too. First, satisfy the customer. Second, greatest impact, support the vision. And last was best suitability for long-term goals. And we have the idea too. First, no COD, sorry. Advertisement, tracks status, cybersecurity, customer service, promo and fee, and the last is brand ambassador. The most voted on by our friends from outside this group is cybersecurity, and the second is promo and fee, and the third is track status. While from our group, the most voted in this idea is first no COD and advertisement. And the result for top vote ideas is next. First is cybersecurity, promo and fee, track status, customer service, and advertisement, and no COD. By analyzing this business idea, it is hoped that it can provide initial idea for us to start a new business and be able to develop in the market world. And we can maintain the product we have made. And by voting, we can see the most important needs in market demand, and after that, we can review it.
Okay, guys, that's all from our group. Thank you so much for your attention. Good evening.